Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 12. The topic is the whole family. Here one question is written. Use the words in the list above to fill the gaps in these sentences. So there are some sentences. You will fill the blanks with the help of these words. So which word you will put here, you can take help from the page below. See this place. From this place you can take help. So let's see first sentence. First sentence is written here. This is the hall. See, if we think this is the hall, he is the hall, and this is his family. So let's see, is there any word like family here? A ball, banana, book, cat, family. Here is the family. So we will write here family. There are dash people in all. How many people? Let's see in the picture. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see. Is it here? 5. Yes, this is 5. So here it will be. There are 5 people in all. The father is reading a what? See, the father is reading. The father is reading a book. So see, is it here? Book. Yes, here. So reading a book, and he is also eating a. We saw it before. After that, I am showing you. There is a banana. So is it here? See. Here, yes, there, this is banana. So we will write here banana. The dash is writing a dash. See, let's see here. If we see closely, that time we find the mother is writing something. So let's see what are the words we find here. Ball cannot be written. Then cat cannot be written, fire, no, floor, no, girl, no, hands, no, letter. Letter can be written by whom? By mother. So we can write here the mother is writing a letter. The baby is sitting on the where? Just see, here is the baby. Baby, where he is sitting? He is sitting in the floor. Yes, see, is it here? Floor, here it is. So we can write the baby is sitting on the floor. Next, she has a dash in her dash. So let's see in the picture what we can get here. She has a ball in her hand. So here let's see, here ball and hand. So we can write she has a ball in her hands. 8 number, the dash is playing with the dash. So let's see here. See, the girl is playing with the cat. So we can write here, and we can see, yes, it's written the girl, here the girl, and here is the cat. So we can write the girl is playing with the whom? With the cat. The dog is asleep by the, let's see where? Here, see, by the fire. The cat is asleep by the fire. So see, here it is also written fire. So we can put this word in the blanks. The dog is asleep by the fire. The boy is watching. So it's so easy. And one is left here, television. After that we can see the picture. Yes, he is watching television. So we can write here television. Hope you have understood today's topic easily. We will do next day page number 13. There we will find the topic, that's name is verbs. Bye for today.